What is up, everybody? In this video, we're going to go over how to restrict pipeline access to certain users inside your HighLevel account. Now, this is a very, very recent update that HighLevel has done, and it is awesome because back in the day, we would have to restrict, data by assigned users, and that was a headache and a half because sometimes it just didn't, work the best for business owners. And now we can do exactly what we need to do, which is, let's say you have a buyer's pipeline and a leads pipeline, right? And you only want, your reps to be in the leads pipeline and not in the fulfillment side, right? Or on the client side. Or vice versa, right? You want some of your fulfillment reps or fulfillment team to only have access to fulfillment or client pipelines rather than leads pipelines. So now we can do exactly that, which is we can restrict access or give certain access to certain users to all pipelines or to only a few selected pipelines. So let's go right into it. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your HighLevel account, right? Make sure you're logged into your HighLevel account. Go into your sub account, and then once you are inside your sub account, you're going to go over here on the left-hand side where it says opportunities. Click on that, and it's going to drop you over here. On the very top side, you're going to see pipelines right next to the right of opportunities. Click on pipelines. That's going to show you all of the pipelines that you have in your account or in your sub account. And then from there, all the way to the right-hand side, you're going to see the three dots under actions. Click on that. And now we have this beautiful little item here, line item, which is manage permissions. We can click on that and look at this. Now, admins always have full access to, of course, all of the actual sub accounts in all the pipelines in your sub account. But if you have staff members that are not admins, now you can actually restrict certain pipelines to users, right? So you can share, all your pipelines are right now by default share with all users, right? View only, okay? And you can then, everybody on your team here is going to be able to view the pipelines, but they cannot edit or have no access at all, right? So we can also come over here and click on share with selected users, and then you can actually select who are the users that you want to select for the specific pipeline. Now, because me and Manny are admins of this sub account, then it's not really going to work because we already have access. But if Manny was a user, which I'll actually do that right now really quick, and then you can see that I can restrict Manny to only see specific pipelines. So let me go check that out real quick. All right, so check this out. So I just changed Manny's access right now from admin to user. And now when I come over here to the sharings and permissions here, I can then, easily come over here and take them off of the actual, exclude people from specific pipelines, but I can also share view only access to specific pipelines. Like, for example, if I'm admin, I'm going to have access to everything. But if I wanted Manny to just have view access, right, I can also do that as well, which is pretty cool. You can also, have edit access, right? So they can have edit access, and you can have no access as well. So they can have no access as well if you put them in here. The biggest thing here when it comes to, these access settings, this is for overall pipeline, right? So this is for the specific pipeline that I just got. So I click on the three dots, do manage permissions, and now this is the overall settings of this pipeline. Do I want to share with all users, right? And then in this case, do I want all of them to have edit access or view only access, or I want nobody to have access, right? That's one thing that we can do. We can also exclude, right, no access to specific users. Now, in this case, I can't select Manny because he is an assigned owner to one of the deals in the pipeline, the tutorial pipeline, so I can't do it. But if it wasn't assigned to anybody, I can click on him and he has no access to that specific pipeline or to the buyer's pipeline that I have here selected. Or I can share with only these selected people, right? So I can have him only to view this specific pipeline and then no one else. This is super cool because now we don't have to do that full thing of restricting, kind of contacts that are only assigned to the actual staff member. Now we can actually be super specific in regards to, hey, these staff members are only going to see these pipelines. And we can do that with this beautiful, option now on the right-hand side, which is manage permissions for every single pipeline that we have in our system. Okay. So I hope that was super, super valuable. Of course, if you have any other questions or want to, me to dive into any single thing here inside HighLevel, or you're stuck right now with something, just put it down in the comments and I'll make sure to do a video for you and help you guys out. All right. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.